Hello all of you, welcome to our session on Microsoft Excel. In last video we have seen how to use the sum function. Today we are going to learn how to subtract a value from another value in Microsoft Excel. So I will zoom this out for you. So let's have some set of values 12, 14, 22, 28, 2, 6. So let's consider this as set of objects, and from this I have to subtract. Suppose this 28, from 28 I have to subtract 22. So I want the result in this, so click on this. As per our theory, write is equal to, see where 28 is there, it is in C5, so you can select this or either type as C5. Then on your keyboard of the desktop or laptop, besides the is equal to sign, you have minus sign. So just press that minus sign and we have to subtract this C4, that is 22 value. So click on that or write C4. So here you can see is equal to C5 minus C4. So you will see that 28 minus 22, you will get the answer as 6. So I will color this. All color values are our results. Similarly, if I want this 14 value 12 value subtracted from 14 and I want the result here, so is equal to, I can directly type C3 minus C2. So here you will see that we have got 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Now let's see one another way in which you can subtract the values. So here I can see I have to subtract 28 minus 22 minus 2. So I have to subtract 3 values. So is equal to 28 minus sign, 22 minus sign, 2 and is equal to. So the answer here you will get it as 28 minus 22 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So you have got the answer as 4. In this way you can use the subtraction. Now I can show you how to use the addition and subtraction in a same quantity. So let's take one example, like I have to add this 2 in 28 and I have to subtract 6 from this whole value. So is equal to 28 minus 2, suppose, or I told you addition, so let's write plus 2 minus 6. So the answer should be, now see what has happened here is we have got 24, because actually the answer should be 28 minus plus 2 is 30, 30 minus 6 is 24. So we have got the answer, but in some cases if or using two signs, just give this as bracket so that your answer will be perfect. In this case the answer is perfect. So this is the way by which you can do the addition and subtraction. Now let's see one last example in which we have to find out certain complex numbers. So like I have taken 28, I am using plus sign, plus 14, then I am using minus sign. So this total is 42 minus 12, so it will become 30, then again plus sign 6. So my answer is 36. So I have used here two plus signs, you can observe two plus signs and one minus sign in between. So this is the complex function of addition and subtraction. Thank you all of you. I request you all to subscribe our YouTube channel to receive more and more videos on Microsoft Excel. Thank you.